My first guest and I might share the award for the most recognizable voices. Please welcome the lovely and a very interesting voice, Rosie Perez. Doesn't she look pretty? I love those gauchos.
Thank you. I love a gaucho, don't you?
Me too.
Yeah.
Because I'm of the age group that I remember the first set of gauchos that came around. And I'm like, oh yeah, this is a skirt. Yeah. And I can move. I love them. They're just fun to walk in too. You know, congratulations on Rise. Rise is like the new fame. I think of it like the new fame. And Ali was just here, and it was so funny. Another one of the castmates happened to be in the audience. But if people haven't seen it yet, because it's a new show,
yes,
could you give them the setup?
It's about how an English teacher is at a point of his life that he's bored, so he wants something new, and he takes over the drama department in this small town, in this small working class town in Pennsylvania. And it's really about how the arts can change young people's lives and in the long run can change a community. And so I really love this.
So much of the arts programs have been taken out of our public schools,
yes,
as has time to eat lunch properly, home economics, shop class. You used to leave high school, when I went to school at least, I'm turning 50 this year, you could leave.
Oh, you look good, girl.
Thank you.
Oh my God, give me some.
But seriously, so much of that has fallen away. I think that's why a show like this is so interesting to me, because it makes it cool again for kids, don't you think?
Yes, absolutely. Yes. And I have a charity called Urban Arts Partnership. We've been around.
You've been doing it for 25 years.
25 years, yes. I'm one of the co-founders, and we bring arts education programs to Title I schools. That means schools that are at or below the poverty line. And we work directly with the principals and the teachers of the public schools, and we service about 15,000 kids a year.
I don't think people realize in their communities you can do that. And Rise does this too, doesn't it?
Yes.
Rise, the television show, NBC helped how many different schools?
Oh, we helped 50 schools. What they did was they put their money where their mouth is, NBC, and they gave $10,000 grants to 50 different schools in the United States. And we went to one of the schools, and they were so excited. And, you know, that just shows the importance of the arts.
Gives me chills.
It gave me chills. I mean, we were crying. Me, Damon, and Josh Radnor, we went there with Jason Kadams, and it was really fabulous. And I do believe in the arts because, you know, when you have the arts, it creates a sense of community and a sense of belonging, and it gives a kid a self-esteem.
Self-esteem?
Yes, and our program we have the metrics on this, that when a kid takes our courses, they actually excel in their other classes.
In other courses, because they feel better about themselves.
They feel better about themselves, yes, and you know, and
it
it's
makes them
important.
more literate. It helps with math skills and timing and tempo.
Yes, and most importantly, it adds to the economic wheel. You know, because you are going to produce, you know, contributing adults once they graduate. You want them to go to college. You want them to have good jobs. You want them to contribute to the economy.
To be well-rounded humans.
Yes, and yeah, that's what the arts do.
And to support the arts.